Okay, good day to all. So we will create this one, responsive and animated gallery using HTML5 and internal CSS. Okay, to start, we will create a folder in our desktop. Okay, so we can name it as animated gallery. Okay, animated gallery. So open your editor or Visual Studio Code. Okay, file, open folder, desktop, animated gallery. Then select folder. Then after that, you will add new file. So file name is gallery.html. Okay, so we will use HTML5. So auto-generated the doc type HTML, the meta. Okay, for the title, we will change this into gallery page. Then save. After that, open your folder. Double click. So the title, you can see at the upper left of your browser. So this is titled gallery page. Next, in our body, we will create the div class row. Okay, so we need to close our division. Inside of our div class row, we will create a column. So div class col1 or column 1. Then we need to close it. Then we will add the image. So we have the img src. Okay, then width. After that, save. File, save. Then open the browser, then reload. So nothing goes here. Okay, so we will search the topic that we want. So example, we have Boracay, tourist spots in the Philippines. So okay, so I will get this okay, picture, file, save images as, then desktop, your folder, animated gallery, then save. Then check the directory of your folder. So we will create the new folder img. Then the picture of Boracay we will drag into the img folder. Okay, so double click, open, right click, properties. So we will check the extension. So my extension is .webp. Okay, so if I call this, so the name of the folder slash Boracay .webp. So double check if this is correct. Okay, so Boracay, correct. Then we will set the width into 100%. Then file, save. Reload the browser. Okay, so close. Then open this one. So we have the picture of Boracay. So it is full 100%. Next, under the Boracay, we will create the span. Then close span. So the name of our picture is Boracay. Boracay. Okay, so we will add a p paragraph. So class, so class name is, okay, description or DESCP, so shortcut. So description 1 column 1. Okay, so we will find or search for Boracay. Then example Wikipedia. So we need to copy some information related to Boracay. So okay, so Boracay was awarded. Okay, copy, paste. So enter, enter. Okay, let's check. Boracay was awarded as the 2012 Best Island in the World by the international travel magazine Travel Plus Leisure. So we will delete this one. Resort was the top of the best island in the world, a list published by the international magazine. Okay, so we will delete this one. In 2016, Boracay headed magazine's list of top 10 destinations to watch. Okay, then file, save, reload the browser. Okay, so we have the title Boracay, then the text. Okay, then the next one we have, okay, so first I think we need to put the internal CSS for column 1. Okay, so inside of our head we will add the style. So we call this the internal CSS. So this is internal CSS. So style, close, style. Okay, for column 1 we will call the name. So that call 1, and open close curly brace. So call 1 we can add the width into 25%. Then we have the padding. So we will set the padding 10 px, then 20 px, then 10 px, semicolon. Okay, save, file, save. So let's see the result. Okay, so this is the result of our CSS. Next we have the border. So border we will set 2px solid. So we can add the color, example red, so that we can see the border color. Okay, reload. Okay, this one. Next we have the background color will set into white. Then we will add a box shadow. So box shadow 10px, 5px. Okay, so hashtag. Okay, you can set the color into gray. Then save. Reload. So this is the box shadow. Okay, next we will float. So we will float into left, then save. After that, okay, for the rotation we will add ms transform. Okay, rotate, so rotation is 7 degrees. Okay, save, reload. So something went wrong. So we have, okay, so ms. So we will add also the webkit transform, webkit dash transform, rotate. So we will rotate into 7 degrees also. Then transform, rotate into 7 degrees. Okay, file, save, then reload. Okay, so it works. Okay, next we have the text in column 1. So we have Boracay, so the span. So to call that, we will use this one. So that call 1, inside of our call 1 we have the span tag. So open, close, curly brace. Then we have the font, weight, we'll set into bold. Next we have the font size, 25 px. Okay, save, then reload. So this is the span. So as you can see, the text font size change, the weight change also. Okay, so we will change the border into black. Save, then reload. Okay, so we need to I think much better we will use gray. Okay, file, save. Okay, gray is good, but if you're creating this one, so you can choose what color or colors do you want to use in your border and your back shadow, also with your text. Next, column 1. Okay, we have this column 1. So this is a call 1 or column 1. So to call that call 1, hover. So if you hover the column 1, transform, so rotation, so rotate 0 degrees. Okay, save. So transform, rotate 0 degrees, then reload. So hover, as you can see, the image become animated. Okay, next, at the upper part we will add asterisk, which means all. So back sizing, border dash box. Okay, save, then reload. Okay, so this is the result. Next, we will set the body will have a margin of 0. Save it. Then we have the row. Okay, so row, we have the div class row. We will set the padding into 50 px, then save, then reload. Okay, so we have the margin upper and the left part, side. So I think we have the margin bottom, margin left, right, and the top. So it was set by 50 px. Okay, the next one, we will create the column 2. So we have div class column 1, so copy paste, copy, then paste. So we have call 2. Then we need to search another picture. So example is Mayon volcano. So we need to download or save the picture of Mayon. So we have this low internet connection. Okay, so for waiting, because I have this low internet connection, we will use the Boracay picture instead of Mayon. So we will change it later. So we need to change this into Mayon volcano. Then we will delete the description. Okay, so close. We have the close P, then we have the close D. Okay, so closing of call 2. Okay, description 2. Save. Okay, file, save. Then reload. Okay, so we have this one. So we will add the CSS for column 2. So what is the CSS for column 2? We have this. So call that call 2. Okay. So also we will set the width into width 25 px. Oh, sorry, 25%. Then we have the padding. So padding 10px, 10px, then 20px, then 10px. Okay. Then file save, then reload. Okay, so Mayon volcano, the picture. Okay, next we have the border. We will set the border into 2px solid, color gray. Okay, so semicolon. Okay, save, file save, then reload. Okay, so we have this border. After that, background color will set into white. Okay, then box shadow. So for the box shadow we have 10px. 10px, 5px, tricolor gray. Save. Then reload. So we have this picture. Next, we will copy the MS WebKit and transform. Okay, paste. So the MS transform rotate will set into -8, -8. Also this one. Okay, so we need to save this. So column 2, save. Then reload. Okay. Next, the call span. Call 2, then we have the span. So to call that call column 2 shortcut, then span. Okay, so we need to set the font weight into bold. Then font size 25px. Save. Then reload. Okay, so it works. Then we need to set so I forgot that we need to float the column 2. So float float into left also, then save, then reload. Okay, so we have this result. So we need to hover the column 2. So column 2, that is called 2, that call 2 colon hover. Okay, so transform rotate into, okay, so rotation 0 degrees. Save. Okay, then reload. So it works. So I have these my own volcano pictures. So I think this one is better. Save images, img folder. So Mayon, rename this to Mayon, then save. We will go to our directory to check if the image was here. Okay, so we have the Mayon, right click, properties, .jpg. Okay, so to call that, we will change this img mayon.jpg. So always check your image name and extension of your picture so that you can display your correct picture. So file, save, then reload. Okay, we have the Mayon, we have the Boracay. Next, we will add the description related to Mayon volcano. Okay, so I have a slow internet connection. Okay, so we will put the description right here. Okay, so example, okay, Mayon, Sunos Mount, Mayon, and location of the island Luzon, Philippines. So I will copy this one, then paste it here. Okay, so enter. Okay, all goods. Then save. Then reload. So we have the description or text inside of our picture gallery. So we need to add another picture here. So all we need to do, because it has the same CSS and format, so we will copy this one. So copy column 1 and column 2. Then so I will add a comment here. Okay, then paste. So we will change this Boracay into Bohol, this Mayon volcano into, we have Mayon, we have Bohol, we have Boracay. What's next? We have Taal. Okay, we have Taal volcano. Then file, save, then reload. Okay, so we have this gallery, so we need to change the description. Okay, so we need to search for Taal. Okay, so Mayon. So I search Taal volcano. So I'm sorry guys, I have very slow internet right now, so I will just create some text here. So okay, so it's up to you how you will change the description right here. So you have the format, so just change it. Okay, file, save. Then the last one, we need to do the responsive design. Okay, so we will add in our CSS. Okay, so we will declare the dot row after okay, so content colon double quote semicolon, so space, then display, okay, table, here move. So display table, clear both. Okay, file, save. Okay. To make the website responsive, so we will use @media. So @media screen, then and we have the max width. So max width will set into 600 px. Dot, okay, col 1. So we have the column 1, so it will change the width into 100%. Next we have the column 2. Also copy this. Okay, we will set the width into 100%. So we resize, so the screen will set into 600 px. The width of all column 1 and column 2 will set into 100%. Okay, save, then reload. Okay, so we will resize now. So okay, so the image become responsive. So just check in your mobile phones. Okay, so if you have questions or clarifications, just comment below. So don't forget to like our video. Okay, that's all. Thank you guys.